Shopping for a reliable car under $5,000 sounds like a nightmare these days. Prices keep rising, and most of the cheap cars you see are more trouble than they're worth. But here's the good news. Dependable used cars still exist. You just need to know where to look. In this video, we've gathered 10 solid choices that combine affordability, reliability, and low running costs. If you take care of them, these cars can keep you on the road for years without draining your wallet. Let's dive in. The Mitsubishi Galant often gets overlooked in the used car market, but that's what makes it such a bargain. The 9th generation, sold until 2012, came with a sturdy 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a simple 4-speed automatic. Fuel economy sits around 23 miles per gallon in the city and close to 30 on the highway. While its styling may not be for everyone, the Galant is inexpensive to maintain, parts are easy to find, and with regular care it can handle high mileage without complaint. If you're after a dependable mid-size sedan under $5,000, the Galant is a sleeper pick. The Honda Element is one of the most unique and practical vehicles you can buy. Half SUV, half van, it was designed with versatility in mind. Early models, especially 2003 and 2004, scored high in Consumer Reports reliability ratings thanks to Honda's legendary K24 2.4-liter engine. This motor is known for going hundreds of thousands of miles with basic care. Inside, the Element features fold-flat seats and a washable interior, making it perfect for pet owners, campers, or anyone needing flexible space. At around $5,000, it's a quirky but incredibly durable choice. The Pontiac Vibe may wear an American badge, but it's essentially a Toyota Matrix underneath. Built in partnership with Toyota, it uses the same 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine found in the Corolla. That means excellent fuel economy, around 28 miles per gallon, and legendary reliability. Because Pontiac no longer exists, these cars often sell for less than the Toyota version, even though they're nearly identical mechanically. With regular care, a Vibe can easily exceed 200,000 miles, making it one of the smartest budget buys available. The 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid proved that Ford could build a reliable hybrid. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder paired with an electric motor, it delivers excellent fuel economy and surprising durability. Many Fusion hybrids easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper care. Inside, you'll find a roomy cabin and a big trunk, making it practical as well as efficient. For about $5,000, it's one of the best values in the hybrid segment, affordable to run, comfortable to drive, and built to last. The Mercury Milan hybrid is basically a rebadged Ford Fusion hybrid, with the same powertrain and reliability. Because fewer people search for them, they can sometimes be found at an even lower price. For buyers willing to consider a less-known nameplate, the Milan offers the same durability, efficiency, and comfort as the Fusion, but often for a better deal. The Toyota Matrix may not be as famous as the Corolla, but it shares the same reliable DNA. Some trims even came with the high-revving 2ZZGE engine, producing 180 horsepower, making it both fun and dependable. Like most Toyotas, maintenance is simple and parts are inexpensive. With proper care, the Matrix can handle very high mileage, making it an underrated but extremely smart buy under $5,000. The first-generation Mazda 3, especially models from 2007 to 2009, built a reputation for being fun, reliable, and affordable. Stick with the 2.0-liter non-turbo engine. It's fuel-efficient and long-lasting, easily crossing 200,000 miles with proper care. The 2.3-liter turbo versions should be avoided due to oil issues, but the standard models deliver great handling and 27 miles per gallon combined. If you want a car that's dependable but still enjoyable to drive, the Mazda 3 is a great choice. The 2006-2007 Honda Accord with the 2.4-liter K-Series engine is a used car staple. These engines use timing chains instead of belts, which means less maintenance hassle. And with good care, they last well beyond 200,000 miles. Comfortable, practical, and widely available, the Accord is a safe, dependable buy around $5,000. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done year after year. No surprises here. The 2005 Toyota Corolla is one of the most bulletproof cars ever built. Powered by a simple 1.8-liter engine, it averages 30 miles per gallon in the city and nearly 38 on the highway. Many Corollas go well past 250,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Affordable, efficient, and endlessly reliable, the Corolla is the definition of smart car buying on a tight budget. At the top of the list is a car that proves luxury and reliability can go hand in hand: the Lexus ES. Built on the same platform as the Toyota Camry, the ES offers a refined interior, a smooth 3.3-liter V6 engine, and the ability to last 300,000 miles or more with good care. For around $5,000, you might find one with higher mileage, but don't let that stop you. The ES combines Toyota dependability with Lexus comfort, making it one of the smartest bargains in the used luxury market. So there you have it, 10 reliable used cars that prove you can still find great options under $5,000. Whether you want basic transportation, a versatile hauler, or even a touch of luxury, these cars can deliver years of dependable service without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart car buying guides.